Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a home in Twin Brooks. Twin Brooks is one of Edmonton's most sought after communities because it is nestled by ravines all the way around. So there's direct access to River Valley Ravine and green space is gorgeous. So this is a $600,000 home. It's 5 beds, 3.5 baths. It's a good entry level point and it's decent to get you into the hood, and there's some opportunity for equity appreciation if you have a few little renos. Friends, my name's Leanna Martens. I'm an Edmonton real estate agent. If you might be considering a move in Edmonton or to Edmonton, make sure you reach out to me and my peeps. Discovery, call info below. We take the stress out, we make it easy. Now, let's get in there. Okay, there's a lot going on in here. Princess room, there's an aquarium, there's also a little forest over there. All good, friends. Nothing that a can of paint, well, several cans of paint can't fix. So thanks for coming on that tour with me. There's some good features of this home. I'm in one of it. I like the main floor between the kitchen, dining, living area, formal dining room. It's a functional floor plan. Main floor, $600,000, too much for what they're offering. So tell me what you think below in the comments, and we might be thinking about a move in Edmonton or to Edmonton. Reach out to my team because guess what, people? We take the stress out, we make it easy. Info below. I'll see you in the next video.